Hey, good afternoon, Math 8 students. So this Khan Academy, and I can see I don't even have a name on it, but this one is sum of consecutive numbers or sum of consecutive integers. Can't remember which one it is. Anyways, so here's the video on how to do that. So you're going to notice it says the sum of 5 consecutive integers is 265. What is the fifth number in the sequence? So I'm going to walk you through the very easy way of doing this. So you'll notice that the grand total is 265 and we have 5 numbers. So what we're going to do right away is we're going to take 265, we're going to divide that by 5, and that will give us our middle number. Okay, our middle number is 53. So if 53 is our middle number, I'm going to just plot that right down here. I need 5 consecutive numbers, meaning I need 2 numbers to be smaller than that and 2 numbers to be just bigger than that. So I'm going to find the consecutive numbers just smaller, 51 and 52, and the 2 numbers just bigger, 54, 55. That's how you find the 5 consecutive integers that would add up to 265. Now, it says what is the fifth number in the sequence. So we've got first number, the second number, the third number, the fourth number, and the fifth number is our 55 right here. Okay, so that is the number we put right up here. Just that simple. But we're going to do a couple more just to make sure. This one says the sum of 5 consecutive even numbers is 200. So we got to make sure on this one we can do even numbers. Nothing changes to start with. We take the 200, we divide that by 5. That gives us our middle even number, which is 40. So again, we're going to take 40. We're going to put that down here. Now we need 2 even numbers that are smaller than this, and then 2 even numbers that are bigger than this. So when we do that, we should have 36, 38, 42, 44, and then obviously 40, which we already found for our 5 consecutive even integers. And then it says, what is the fifth number in the sequence? Well, in this one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. The fifth one in this case is 44. So 44 is our answer. Okay. Now, this works really nicely when there's an odd number of consecutive integers. It's a little bit different if there's an even number. So this one, the sum of 6 consecutive integers, I'm doing this one, the sum of 6 consecutive integers is 393. Now we start out the same way we did before. We're going to take the 393, we're going to divide it by 6, but this time you're going to notice that the average comes out to be 66.5. That's okay, because in order to find the 6 consecutive integers, we need the 2 numbers just around this. So we need one that's just a little bit smaller than 66.5 and one that's a little bit bigger than 66.5. And you're probably going to find that to be 66 and 67. A little bit smaller and a little bit bigger. Half point smaller, half point bigger. Then, because we need 6 numbers and we already have 2, we need 4 more numbers, and those 4, 2 of them will be smaller and 2 of them will be bigger than 66 and 67. And those are how we find our 6 consecutive integers. In this one, they said, what is the third number in the sequence? So again, 1, 2, 3. This time, we want this one, which is our third number in the sequence, which is 66. Hopefully that makes good sense. Good luck to you, and we will see you in class. Bye-bye.